Good morning, Jamaican insiders. Welcome to Jamaica Before 7. In this one, we're on Barbican Road here in Kingston. I do hope you will enjoy it, as always. If this is your first time watching, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I upload videos showing the best of Jamaica, whether it's Jamaican Roads, Jamaican Attractions, recent developments, and so on. So please subscribe and remember to hit the notification bell for all. And if you have been watching without subscribing, please, I think now is a good time to take the plunge and subscribe to the channel. All right, and please like the video if you find it interesting and informative. Thank you so much for all that. All right, now let's enjoy Barbican Road here in Jamaica Before 7. Right now it's actually 6:28 in the morning. A little later than I usually make my videos, but still before 7. We're passing by Ligani Avenue on our left. Salisbury Avenue, also on our left. Barbican News coming up on our right. Taking a quick look at the fontana here in Barbican. Right now we're looking at Barbican Square. BIRDSUCKER Lane to our right, which of course leads to Graham Heights and Cherry Gardens. Did a video of that community recently, so you can see the link in the description if you would like to watch that video. Some nice houses are over there. Barbican Avenue. Let's have a look. I myself have never been on this road. We have some mango trees and ackee tree. So many fruit trees all across Jamaica. And an almond tree. So many mangoes that they even littering the floor. So now we're leaving Vaz Drive and back onto Barbican Road. All right, I'm gonna leave it here for today. Thank you so much for sticking and staying until the end here in Barbican Road as I turn onto Arcata Drive. I hope you've enjoyed today's Jamaica Before 7, where we took a drive on Barbican Road. Do stick and stay for other videos coming up. Thank you.